1, 2, 3. Welcome to 1, 2, 3 cubing. So, welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna be showing you some tricks. If your Rubik's Cube is already solved, you can do that. Will keep it solved and will make it look like it's scrambled. So here we go. So the first one is, I call it the T. So you turn the bottom, turn the middle layer once, and the top once, middle layer once, top once, middle layer once, top once, middle layer once, top once. And now this one's flipped, but you keep going. Middle layer once, top once, middle layer once, top once, middle layer, top, middle layer, top. And no, boom, that's one. So here's another one. So you turn right side up. So literally you just go like this. It is not the hardest trick in the book, but I do not recommend it. It takes forever. I shall see you guys once I am finished. Wait, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to do that. Still going. That's gonna take forever. Mission complete. And then the last one for today is your algorithm to put your corners in. If you do that, it solves. Ta-da! Okay, here's something. It's not really one, but I think it's fun. So grab these two pieces on the top, and then you can bring them to the bottom and twist them until they're like this, and then like that. Boom, solved. I'm trying to think of more. Oh, there's this one. This takes absolutely forever because I'm doing the dot and then keep going. The dot again. Keep going, keep going. Come on. There's like 6 more times of this and it'll be fine. Come on. There's like 6 more times left. Eventually, it'll just look like checkerboard pattern, and then you can solve it like checkerboard pattern. If you wonder what checkerboard pattern is, I have a tutorial on how to do it on my channel. Oh God. Come on. Come on. My fingers are starting to get tired. Oh, I guess here's the last one. Just scramble your cube and then never solve it again. It's my face. So, if you like today's video, please like and subscribe. Cause yeah. Bye-bye.